Christmas, everyone! Today we're here to talk about 3D printers. And today we're printing a 3D Christmas ornament. So here's the 3D printer here, and we're going to use this to create our ornament. And first we need to switch over the filament. This is the plastic filament that we use to print the ornament. We're switching it from red to green here. And basically what a filament is just a very thin plastic cord. And so it's very similar to an ink cartridge in a regular 2D printer. And so we're going to use this, and it's going to get fed through the plastic tube that you saw. And it's going to go into the printer, and then it's going to make our ornament. So here we're putting in that plastic filament, and we're reloading it in, and you'll see the red kind of coming out, and it's being extruded out of the bottom here. So let's watch and see how that works. And you can see, oh, it's all coming out there until it turns green, and then we can have some green because our Christmas ornament is actually going to be a green Christmas tree. So we need some green color. And unfortunately, you can only print in one color with this 3D printer. And here you can kind of see that very thin little bit of extrusion that came out. And there it is, it's very, very thin. So our programmer is creating a model on the computer of what our 3D printed ornament is going to look like. And so he's using this program, I believe this one is Blender. So he's just kind of designing it, making sure that it will print properly on the surface of the printing bed of the 3D printer. And he just realized here that he's got to make the top flat because he's going to print it upside down. So you'll see when he's printing that it's going to be upside down. So each layer of the plastic is being layered on by the tip of the printer there. It's just going around and around and around and around. And it's just going to keep building on layer after layer until it ends up making the whole Christmas tree. So I'm going to speed it up a little bit so we can see that process a little faster. extruder's temperature is 230 degrees Celsius. That's how much it needs to melt. And here you can see we're already on to our second layer of the tree. So the second set of branches, I guess. I think it makes pretty cool noises. Something I started noticing around this point is you can kind of see in there some kind of honeycomb kind of shapes inside of the tree. And so each of those shapes gives the structure a little bit of stability and extra support so that it doesn't just cave in on itself. And these are called infill patterns. So it looks like the more extra support you have within the object, the stronger it is. And so you can add different triangles, you can add some honeycomb shapes and some other interesting shapes, and they'll all give it different kinds of strength. So you don't only have to print ornaments and other things like that, you can print more interesting things. So something that we discovered was that you could actually scan your face with an Xbox Connect and make a 3D print of your face. So here is a 3D print of a face that we made. And so this is pretty cool. But let's think bigger. What else could we make? This mansion in China was made by 3D printing. It was made with concrete instead of plastic, and it only took 45 days to create. And best of all, the company claims that it is earthquake safe. I'll put a link below so you can see other things that are printed with concrete and giant 3D printers. Back to our ornament. It's almost done. We're just finishing up the stem. And here we are at the very end. Let's take a look at our cool Christmas decoration. And now I'm gonna hang it on the tree.